babes. I hope everyone is doing well. I am doing this video because I was so excited today. I got the Boxy Charm Luxe in the mail. It's the first one I've ever gotten, so I'm so excited. And I had such a busy day because the girls were here this weekend. My daughter has her friends here. So I am doing this right at bedtime, but I can't wait to show you what's in it. Okay. This is a huge box. The regular Boxy Charm is like half this size. So we are going to figure out what is in it. Ooh, already. Okay. I'm guessing this card has all of the information for all the products that are in this box. So I'm thrilled. Ooh, and it's got prices and everything. So we're going to figure this out. Now, the Boxy Charm Luxe is something that's available to Boxy Charm subscribers already. It's just something that comes out every 3 months, and they charge you an additional $28.99 in addition to that. I think it's $21.99 for the Boxy Charm every month. But mind you, you get full-size products, so you're actually saving money in the long run. Okay, so the first thing I see is what looks like a makeup bag. Ooh, it's kind of like holographic. Look at that. That's really cool. Oh, let me see. Oh, I'm so happy I did this. This is so exciting. Okay. Here it is. It says Boxy Charm. And then it's kind of a big bag. I could actually definitely use this for travel or just an everyday thing, or I carry big purses, so this will fit in it. The next thing I see is Lily lashes. Ooh, and they kind of have the thin band like the wispies. Let me see. I don't want to glare on it. Let's see what they retail for. These lashes are $24.99, but you can get, they're durable enough to give you up to 20 wears. Well, yeah. Woohoo! All right, I'm liking that. All right, let's see what we've got next. Oh, they call this bag the train case, and they said it has a retail value of $20. Alrighty, so we're already over, almost over what I paid. Okay, so, okay. I see Wander Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. I put the ring light in my room, so I have all this light, but it's still kind of glary. Anyway, I can't see the ounces. 2.02 ounces or 60 mLs, and this retails for $34. Okay. Oh, I love It Cosmetics. Yes. It Confidence Cream. Oh my goodness. I have to open it. I have to. I love their It Bye Pores finishing powder. It's amazing. And I have been actually eyeing this in Ulta for a while. It's very heavy. Anti-aging, armor, rejuvenating concentrate, transforming moisturizer, super cream. Woohoo! For all skin types. Definitely going to be using this before bed. You know me. You know me. I can never talk. I'm all about skincare. Yes. So I'll use this in addition to all my other stuff. Okay, so it looks here like we've got nail polishes. Okay, let's see the colors. Deborah Lippmann. You know, I've never heard of Deborah Lippmann, so I do not know, but I can tell you that that looks like a pretty mauve, kind of. And this one's got some shimmer, and it's kind of goldish. I might save that for a giveaway, because I haven't really been doing my nails. I've been letting them kind of hang since I used to get them done all the time. Ooh, Iconic London eyebrow cushion. What's a cushion? Let's find out what a cushion is. Oh, I forgot to tell you what it was for the nail polishes. Hang on. Let's see what the nail polishes are. The It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream is $48, by the way. The Deborah Lippmann nail polish is $20. And I have this Iconic eyebrow cushion. It's $40. Wow. This is how it comes. I got my smudgies all over it already. Ooh, it's got a mirror in it. It's got a brush, which Looks like it's got the spoolie on one end and it's got the angled brush on the other. That's kind of cool because it fits in that little compact. And I am assuming, okay, I don't think I'm going to be able to get this. Oh yeah, I can get this sticker off. Ooh. It has 2 different colors in there. And it almost looks kind of wet. So I'm going to be kind of curious to try it. I hope one of the colors actually goes with my skin. All right. Oh, I see Cover FX. Cover FX Perfector Feast Palette. Ooh, sculpt and contour, blush it up, illuminate with 2 shimmering highlights. Oh. Finishing power for a glowing multidimensional look anywhere. Oh my god. Okay, hello. Good for the summer. Are you kidding me right now? That is amazing. These are such warm, awesome colors. Oh, and there's a protector on the mirror. That's nice. I like it. I like it. Yes. Ready for the summer? I think so. Okay, so let's see what else is in here. I see Moda Powder and Soft Glow. Okay, so there's a lot of same brands, new brands I've been seeing. Moda, apparently, there's a powder brush and a highlighter brush in here, which is cool because I've been needing a new highlighter brush. So these are what they look like. I'm excited. Ooh, it's very soft, which we love soft brushes. And I'm curious about the highlighter brush. I wonder how much product it holds. I'm gonna have to test these out. Okay, so these Moda brushes. All right, the Cover FX was $45. I don't remember if I told you that or not. Moda brushes. $29.99. Do you see this? Like, how amazing is this? Okay, and we're not even done. Okay, we have a Becca lipstick, but I am so gonna go through this really quickly because there's something I definitely want to get to on the bottom of there. Okay, this looks like the packaging here. Ooh, it has like a magnetic kind of, automatically closes. Love it. This shade, let me see. Let's swatch it. Ooh, it's creamy. And it's not bad. It's like a nudish color. I'd totally wear it. Definitely. And maybe with a lip topper with a little bit of sparkle. That would be badass. Yes. Okay. So I'm liking that too. And then Morphe. Hi, Morphe. This looks like it is an eyeshadow palette. And what does it retail? They're like usually like $15, aren't they? This one's $16. It's the 15 shade artistry palette. Oh my gosh. Like, really? Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, look at these colors. Hello, summer again. This is going to be quite amazing. I am living for it. I'm trying to give you guys the best view I can without like making a shadow. Comes with a mirror. Nice. Liking that a lot. And wow. Oh, you've got a mixture of mattes and shimmers. I am so very excited. Wow, that was a lot of stuff. So the eyeshadow palette. Then you've got the highlighters, the blush, and the contour. Then you've got the brushes. You've got your powder brush, your highlighting brush. You've got your brows. You've got your lashes. You've got your mask. And this looks like it's a peel-off mask. So sweet. You've got that. You've got the lipstick, the nail polishes, and here is the anti-aging moisturizing cream. So you get a ton plus the bag. Like, all I need is my foundation, my eyeliner, and I could almost do like a full face here. Like, really. Like, wow. Wow, 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 wow. I am thrilled. I couldn't be happier that I got this box. I'm sorry that I look like such a mess. I got out of the shower, took a nap, and then I decided to do this video because I couldn't wait any longer to open up this box, and I'm getting ready to go back to bed, or at least do some binge watching on Netflix and eat my favorite Girl Scout cookies that I picked up earlier today. Yes, gotta support the girls. So that is it for this video. I can tell you that I can total this up and I can tell you what I've paid and we'll see how much I actually saved. So have you gotten your Boxy Luxe Charm yet? I guess they've all been going out and they should all be the same, I'm pretty sure. But if you have, comment below. Tell me if you got the regular Boxy Charm. Let me know because I want to see what's in that one. It's got to be totally different than this one. I definitely want to compare the two. And this is my second box ever. The first one was the regular Boxy Charm. This is the Boxy Luxe, and this is available every 3 months, so I'm not going to see this again for another 3 months. But all you Boxy Charmers out there, tell me, show me. I want to see what was in the regular Boxy Charm. I want to compare it all, and I will catch you all in my next video, which, by the way, is on a special brush collection set I have not used yet and just got. Have a great night.